How to fix Fall Guys Epic Games account error code 200_001. 1. Check the server status for Epic and Fall Guys. 2. Sign out and back into Epic Games. Three. Verify Fall Guys in Epic Games client. Like this. 4. Verify Windows system files as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 5. Flush the DNS as admin. Commands include IP protocol configuration /flushns IP protocol configuration /registered IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew netshare winsock reset restart your PC later. 6. Use Google DNS server. 7. Uninstall and reinstall a Visual C++ redistributable package as admin. 8. Uninstall, reinstall the Fall Guys app. Like this.